Which Comenius meeting did you join?
We've both been to Estonia and Narva.
I joined the meeting in Germany and the meeting in Poland.
I joined the meeting in Bremerhaven in Germany.
For I'm the coordinator of the program, I joined the meetings in Poland and Estonia.
I joined the meeting in Estonia in March.
I joined the German meeting, well, the one in Germany and in Poland.
What did you like most?
I liked most all the people there, the teachers, the students.
I liked most meeting new people and somehow also new cultures.
Well, I liked the coming together of different nations, talking in English, tasting traditional food, going on excursions.
What can you tell about the guest family?
They were very nice and yes.
Yeah, well, in Poland they were warm and welcomed me, and we played cards together, and yeah, they were great. And in Germany I lived in a flat from a teacher, but the teacher was never at home, so we had the flat for ourselves, and yes, it was great.
In Poland, the guest family was really lovely and they gave me everything. And in Germany, I've been with Maria at the teacher's house of Anne Schmeckis, and it was really amazing because it was a big band house.
My host family in Germany was really nice and lovely, and they also showed me a bit of their culture, what food do they eat and what's typical for their region, and yes, it was really cool and they showed me really cool things.
How did you like the program?
In Poland I liked most that it was comfortable and warm, and I was very welcome, and in Germany also the people were really great, and things we did together, and
yeah. The program in Bremerhaven was really cool, and it was a lot about environment and how you can save your environment, and so we learned a lot, and we also visited the Klima House and could see different climas in different regions of the whole world.
The programs were very ambitious. There were lots of cultural events and excursions.
The program was very interesting. We saw different things and it was okay, I liked it.
I really liked the program. Well, they include very interesting points like the excursions, the days at schools, meeting the people in the evening, meeting the teachers, seeing what students do during days.
What was the most interesting experience for you?
The most interesting experience for me was the other culture in Poland because it is quite different to ours, and yeah, to meet the family here, yeah.
What didn't you like?
The weather. It was really cold and you were freezing all the time.
Nothing.
Our last night in Thailand.
I don't like the long journeys to the meetings.
What did you learn about the country you visited?
I think the country is really different. It's all in all pretty poor, but the people are mostly really nice.
About the Baltic states, that they were ruled very long years by Russian emperors and Soviet Union and such things, and I think they are very influenced by these years. And
What did you like the excursions during your visit?
We've been to Auschwitz and this was really interesting, but it was also very sad. Then we also were in Krakow, and Krakow was also very interesting. It's a beautiful city in Poland, and we saw a lot of things like the church or some other buildings, some other important buildings. Yeah, well.
Yeah, I like the excursions in Bremerhaven a lot because we visited the Klima House, which I really liked, and we also had a discussion with a politician from the Green Party.
All of the excursions were great, informative, exciting.
Have you got new friends?
Yes, a lot.
There were like these 4 people we've also always been with, and I think we made some friends there.
I'm in contact with all the teachers from the other countries, and I hope this friendship will last longer than the project itself.
Well, I've met some teachers from all the nations, and well, I think all of them are quite nice.
Do you think the Comenius meetings improve tolerance and understanding of other European nations?
Of course it helps, because now I have seen something about the Poland culture, and it's, yeah, as I said, it's so different, and it's really interesting to see how they live, how they treat themselves and their families and so on. So yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. And yeah, you really see other cultures and how things are different from our culture.
I think so, because we did something with people we never, like talked to somehow else.
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm sure, because the students get in contact with students from countries they won't visit in the holidays.